Welcome to our video for solution to Samsung printer problems. First of all, I should mention that, in many Samsung models, the operations are almost the same or similar. You can easily implement these processes yourself. In Samsung printers, such as out-of-paper error, toner warning when there is toner, missing printing errors, printing half of your document that is a full page, etc. For such problems, we need to enter the service menu of the printer and perform the necessary reset operations. If there is no problem with a hardware part of your printer, when you do this, your problems will be solved and you will get rid of the money of a repairman. When the printer is ready, press the menu button, dial #1934 and press the menu button again. Tech mode comes. Click OK for tech menu. In the tech menu, service func. Pass to the part OK is pressed on clear all memory. Press OK in country selection. And this operation clears the memory and printer settings. After the operation, the printer is restarted. After this process, we will reset the counters. Again, when the printer is in ready state, press the menu button, dial #1934 and press the menu button again. Tech mode comes. Click OK for tech menu. In the tech menu, switch to the service function section. Clear counts are selected. When asked for passcode, 1934 is dialed and OK is pressed. OK is pressed in the fuser. Cleaning warning appears on the screen. OK is pressed in the transfer rollers. Cleaning warning appears on the screen. OK is pressed in the tray roller. Cleaning warning appears on the screen. OK is pressed in the retard roll. Cleaning warning appears on the screen. And it is done in this process. Now, our printer is ready to run smoothly. I hope it was a useful video for friends who have problems with this. Thank you very much for watching. For support, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Goodbye.